Want to add stylish star ratings to your WordPress page? Let's learn how to use the aBlocks star rating block. First, open the page where you want it, then search for star rating. And insert the aBlocks star rating block. It's that simple. Once added to your page, you'll see the customization options in the left sidebar. Under the scale option, you can choose between a 0 to 5 or 0 to 10 rating system. Select the one that best fits your needs. Next, set the rating value between out of 5 or out of 10. Want to change the icon? Click on the icon option and select a different shape that suits your design style. Easily customize the size of the rating icons using the slider. You can also adjust the alignment to left, center, or right based on your page layout. Need to display the rating number? Toggle the Show Rating Number option to make it visible or hide it. Now that we've set up the star rating widget, let's move on to styling. In this section, we'll customize spacing, colors, and the rating number display to match your website's design. First, let's fine-tune the spacing between the stars. Use the slider or manually enter a value in pixels to get the perfect alignment. Next, customize the star color to match your branding. Click on the color picker and select the shade that fits your design. You can also modify the unmarked color, which controls the appearance of unselected stars. Now, let's style the rating number to make it visually appealing. Under Position, choose where you want the rating number to appear, left, center, or right. Adjust the gap between the stars and the rating number to achieve a well-balanced layout. Finally, from the star rating style area, you can adjust the color and typography. Save the changes you have made and go for preview. Here is the perfectly designed starting with aBlock. And there you have it, a beautifully customized star rating widget designed effortlessly with aBlocks. Now your ratings stand out and seamlessly blend with your website's aesthetics. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel,